Police handcuffed Eduardo Perez, the man suspected of driving through the front doors of University High School last Thursday. It was the 8th time he'd been arrested on suspicion of drunken driving, a textbook case for the state's felony DUI law in the eyes of the former legislator who sponsored it.
That is a kind of person that you think is a danger, and also needs to come to grips with the fact that they have an alcohol problem.
In 2015, Governor John Hickenlooper signed the law that was proposed by Beth McCann. It gives prosecutors the power to file a felony charge against someone with 3 or more prior DUI convictions.
By the time someone has driven and gotten caught after drinking to that extent, they're really a danger to public safety.
Perez was convicted of underage drinking and driving when he was 17. Then, between 2017 and 2023, he was convicted 4 times of impaired or drunken driving, more than enough to trigger a felony DUI count. But when he was arrested in December 2024, Weld County prosecutors did not file a felony DUI charge. This time they did. McCann, now retired after serving 8 years as Denver's district attorney, says prosecutors have to consider things like a suspect's record, case details, and prior attempts at treatment before deciding to file a charge that could land a person in prison for years. In this case, with 5 convictions and 2 pending cases, she believes it's time.
At this point, enough is enough, and he needs to not be able to endanger our community because of his continued driving while he's drinking.
Weld County District Attorney Michael Rourke told us yesterday he's considering amending the charges in that still pending 2024 DUI to include a felony count. Today he declined our request for an on-camera interview to talk about that. We are continuing to look into Eduardo Perez's background, including yet another DUI case in which a judge dismissed charges. We don't yet know why that happened. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Kevin, so many people are going to be watching this story asking or being thankful that no one was hurt or killed in this particular event driving a truck through the doors of a school, and why something like this didn't happen sooner.
Phil, in talking to Beth McCann today, she made the point that if this had happened during school hours, it could have been an unbelievable tragedy. Instead, it happened at 9 o'clock at night when only a handful of people were actually in the building.
I'm thankful for that. Kevin, thank you.